Miss and the Time Ball by Mark Bird. There's a bright red sphere called a time ball that rises and falls at the Royal Observatory on top of Flampstead House that just last week we went on a school trip to see. I wandered around, just me, when I heard Miss say excitedly, "It was first used in 1833, 50 years before GMT. I calculated quickly. Back then, Miss, I would have been about minus 180. And as the rest of the class moaned about being bored and hungry, sneaking each other sweets, saying they'd starve if they didn't eat, Miss sidled next to me. "Watch," she smiled. At 12:55, as the time ball rose, halfway up the mast, we froze, we gasped, we laughed, just Miss and I. "Imagine," she sighed, "the ghosts of London sailors who had long since sailed by along the River Thames, using this miracle ball to gauge and frame the course of their days." Then at 12:58, as this sphere of time climbed to the top of its mast, we craned our necks. The sailors back then would only know their location by celestial navigation, using old marine clocks, and every day at 1, when the time ball dropped, they would look up at this sight from their ship sailing by to make sure their chronometers were absolutely right. The passion she had for stars and time sparked a part of my brain that before I met Miss had not been alive. And then, bang on 1, the time ball fell, and Miss sighed. "Oh well, it's been lovely talking to you. You better get back to your own class." She shook my hand, disappeared into the throng, and with that, Miss was gone. But what she'll never know, though I dream of telling her so, that from a minute after 1, seconds after she had disappeared into that throng, I had decided, thanks to Miss and the time ball, as the clouds above Greenwich made way for the sun, what, in the future, I would become.